It's a video about the coming NXAI manager. So let's say right now I have two edge devices connected to different video sources. This one is my Mac ARM64 system with 3 cameras here. And this one is a body-worn cameras, so with just single screens right here. On these two devices, I believe they're all running the face locator plugin, right? And this one as well, only the face locator, right? So let's say I have these cameras for different purposes during different time in the day. So maybe in the daytime, I wanted to run Model A. In our example, it's a face locator. And then at nighttime, I want to run another model because the camera will be deployed, such as a body-worn camera or dash camera, will be deployed on different vehicle or the same vehicle, but to different routes. So I want to perform another models, right? And I have these cases to tens or hundreds or even thousands of NX connected devices. So how do I deploy the model over the air as a fleet? So with the coming NXAI Manager and NX Cloud, we can do this very easily. Let me give you a quick example. Again, we are running two systems now, and both systems are running the face locator model. Let's go to the NX Cloud interface. I can see under my name, there are 3 different devices or edge servers, right? A MediaTek body-worn camera, a Qualcomm body-worn camera, or a virtual machine running on my M1 MacBook Pro. So I have grouped these two to a fleet, right? So let me show you. That's how they are connected. Okay, so this is the body-worn camera, and the USB camera is connected to my Mac. Okay, let's go back to the next cloud interface so I can see. We already grouped 2 devices, 2 servers to a group. I can now select the group, and it will say there are 2 devices in this group. So I can assign a model to all devices in the group named Fleet 1. So I'll come here, choose the model, and then again, these are the demo model we provided for test purpose. So I can say use on group. So once I apply that on the group, we can go back here and right click, especially this one. Start on this one, right click, and then to refresh it. So now we can see I have replaced the face locator to 80 objects. So I can enable it and run it. We start to run the Model B we were looking for the night shifts, for example. And here as well, let's go to the camera setting, plugin. You see still face locator, but if we refresh, it'll synchronize with the cloud, and now notice that, oh, we have replaced Model A to Model B. Apply that, then it will start to recognize the devices right here. Like, so it's pretty simple. For this camera as well, I believe I have to come here and enable it, refresh it, enable, and then we'll start to pick up objects that can be detected by Model B. So in my demo, it's a very small fleet, right? It's just 2 devices in this fleet 1. But you can imagine if you are a company managing multiple assets with an NX server pre-installed, you have your shift that you want to run different models. You want to over the air deploy the model, update the model, or even you retrain your model and you want to redeploy those models to the sites. With NX EVOS and the AI manager on the devices, just like my demo, you can perform this very easy over the air. It could be Wi-Fi, it could be 4G, it could be 5G, right? We know the NX Cloud has a very powerful P2P connection features. Right? So with these new coming features in Q3, we will be able to develop and deploy AI, vision AI application at scale much, much easier than before. Okay, thank you very much.